let me do the dirty work for you. All right, so TikTok is driving me crazy, and today I decided that I'm gonna be debunking some of these hacks because I don't believe in them. Do you believe in them? I believe in Santa, but I don't believe in these hacks. You know what I mean? So the first one is going to be orange juice and espresso? I think not, but we're gonna give it a try. This one's gonna be easy. You just need orange juice. So I literally, on my way home, stopped by a lovely gas station. Then you need espresso.
More espresso, less depresso.
And then you need your mug of choice to make your espresso in. Ding, ding, dong, the queen of Christmas. I was trying to read through to see like what this is supposed to taste like. I guess it's just supposed to taste good. Honey. Fun fact, when I was in 8th grade, my girlfriend, Nikki Gentili, she was in 7th grade, and we decided that we were gonna be a songwriting duo. Our songwriting was called Cutie, just QT. We'd write bops, we'd write love songs. Play a drinking game with your best friends. And just before I taste this, bet something. If it's gonna taste good, if it's gonna taste like ass and chips, ooh Lord. I don't drink orange juice. Pour this in. All right, give it a little mix. She's not looking cute. Oh, it smells good. It smells like fresh oranges and coffee. Some of the 2 best scents besides cinnamon rolls and bacon in the morning.
I smell bacon!
I think. But here goes now. Huh. I did just have a visual pop into my head, but let's see if it comes back. No, it's not giving. I don't endorse this. It's kind of like when you're like on a red eye and you're in the plane's landing-ish, right? And they come out and they just throw everything at you basically. You're so out of it because you're coming off the Z-Cool and all the champagne you drank throughout the night. And so you sip the orange juice, then you take your bagel and you have the coffee. That's what it tastes like. It's giving plane. It's giving travel. No thanks. Okay, let's watch this.
Apparently, if you mix vodka with baking soda, salt, and a little bit of water, you can't taste the vodka at all.
I never taste the vodka.
So let's get started.
I think he's lying. Let's try it. It's giving Christmas. Ice. So we're gonna try it, and we're gonna use my fancy ice cubes. Look how cute. Put it in your glass of choice. So there we go. Let's just pour them like we're really making one. Okay. Woo! Gonna get lit. That's enough, that's enough. And then baking soda, which I don't know if this is healthy either. Baking soda. Swish it around. It's looking like Alka-Seltzer. You ever hula hoop? It smells like vodka, but it looks like Alka-Seltzer. You might be right, but it also might taste like salt, so hold on. Okay, it's true. It doesn't taste like vodka, but if you used what I use, it tastes like, for sure, salt, but also, I can't even describe like what the baking soda tastes like. But you don't taste the vodka. Anyways, that was a fun hack. So technically it worked, so 10 out of 10 for working. Taste-wise, that would be a 1 out of 10. I know some of you like salty things. You know what I mean? Okay, on to the next. What's next? Okay, so I'm about to try another don't cry onion hack, right? We've tried everything. We've hopped on one foot, we've sung a song, we've hit the high notes, we've done all of it.
Wet paper towel.
Wet paper towel.
Next to the onion. It
Oh,
helps you
that's it.
not
It's just a wet paper towel
cry
next to
while
the onion.
chopping the onion.
I don't believe this for a second. I think it's a lie. Wet paper towel, wring her out. Eating raw onions boosts your testosterone. Woo. Hold it from the hair. Cut it down the middle. See, behind here is usually the Ivy China. Do you guys like that it's all Santa's workshop now?
I know him.
You know you do. Off with his head. Bam. Try to help you guys out if you're actually gonna slice onions, and you slice down like this. Oh, she gonna be pretty. So far, so good. So far, so good. My eyes are not crying yet, honey. I'm feeling a little tingle, but usually I'd be crying. I'd be dripping right now. Look at these gorgeous chopped onions. It's beautiful. Okay, listen, I'm gonna say it's possible that this worked. Possible. I'm here for it. I mean, you know how many times we've chopped onions on this show and I turn around, tears are coming down my eyes. Like, I'm like, ugh. Whoever came up with this hack, I'm gonna go with the wet paper towel. I'd say give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because there's a little tingle in my eyes, but I think it works. Okay, so we're gonna try the Jolly Rancher hack today. What if it blows up my oven? Make it rain. Let's get the skillet hot. Let's do red and green for the holidays. You know what, and blue for Hanukkah. Bitch. swirl it where it's melted. This is cool. My neighbors are gonna think I'm on meth. Woo! Looks like a condom. It worked, so we couldn't debunk this one, it actually works. Who in the f came up with this? What were they doing? This was absurd, but my favorite one was the Jolly Rancher. The vodka and the salt and the club or the baking soda is disgusting. The orange juice and espresso should be banned for life. It's like landing on a Southwest plane in the middle of nowhere. Okay, onion haggis is the second because it kind of worked. So Jolly Ranchers first, the onion one, I'd say give it a try. And the other two you can in the trash where they belong with all of your ex-husbands, honey. I mean, what? If you're seeing any fun hacks out there, send them my way. They don't have to be food related. I would still like to stand by that. The vodka was not food related. That was just disgusting. Anyways, all right. Next week, more hacks, and maybe we should play like the love game or something, or love connection. Love you, mucho, bye.